My name is Asil Bek. I'm from Uzbekistan. So I have been living in China almost 7 years, and we bring a lot of unique products from Uzbekistan. I believe this is a huge platform, not only for the trade, but also for the opportunity to share our culture, to express ourselves through the products, and of course to find a new niche on this market.
I'm Ramazan Tüzen, and this is our third time to come to Hainan Expo. We're trying to give our best about Turkey and culture and with our items, handicrafts. This handicrafts, this art, is coming long years, more than 600 years ago, from China to Turkey, and we are making with our design and Chinese design together. Chinese like it very much.
I come from Pakistan, and this is the first time I come to shop out with. I sell Pakistani products in China, so I want to have long-term clients, good clients. I want to have wholesalers. I want to have dealerships over here. So I hope I can have good business. That is my motive. I come over here. Pakistan, China, friendship is very good. So I do get green signals. For example, recently the transportation through road and by railway has been opened up. So my goods can come in China within 15 days. The carpets I bring, they are free of tax duties, and I do get a lot of benefits because of this Belt and Road initiative.